Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to create stock items in Tally ERP 9. To begin, from the gateway of Tally, navigate to the Inventory Info menu. Here, you will find the Stock Items option. Select Create to start defining your new inventory item. This initial step is crucial for setting up your product database accurately and efficiently within the system. Next, you'll input the essential details for your stock item. Start by giving your item a clear and unique name. Then, assign it to an existing stock group or create a new one to organize your inventory effectively. Finally, select the correct unit of measure, such as pieces or kilograms, which is vital for accurate quantity tracking. Now, let's configure some advanced settings. You can set standard buying and selling rates to streamline your invoicing process. If you have existing stock, enter the opening balance quantity and its corresponding value. Remember to enable GST details and input the correct HSN or SAC codes to ensure full tax compliance for your business transactions. Once all details are entered, simply accept the entry to save your new stock item. To verify your work, navigate back to the Stock Items menu and choose Display or Alter to review the item you just created. Double-check that all information is accurate, as this ensures precise inventory management and smooth business operations going forward.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.